In this video, I'm going to take this floor and use 3 products to try and find which one is the best one to get it clean. So, welcome back to Good Luggage. I'm sorry I haven't been around for a while, I've been just very busy with loads of stuff going on, which is the best way for light. So yeah, the concept of this came about whether or not for the likes of a builder's van or work van that has dirty floors, etc. is it best to use an APC, an interior cleaner, or a vinyl and rubber care product. So I'm going to try and find out which one is the best one to use on the likes of this van. So the products I'm going to use, for one, is tyre and rubber cleaner from ADBL, proven to be like really good on tyres, etc, from the outset. Number 2 product, going with an APC, which is Surfex HD, diluted down 1 to 10. Obviously just already made in the pump sprayer. Number 3 is going to be Cleantel Interior Cleaner Plus. There are 3 products that we're going to use, so let us test. Yeah, so first one up is the tyre cleaner. Looking at high alkaline, in around the 12 mark. Okay. Surfex HD. 10, where are you line there? 10, 9, 10. Looking at a 10. Diluted 1 to 10. Oh, switch it on first. Looking at an 8. See it? And around the 8 mark. Yeah, which one does best? Now, unfortunately, there's no real way to hold the camera here, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 sections, one down there, and have what I start off with: tyre and rubber cleaner, Surfex, APC, and interior cleaner. We'll see how they all do then. So we go tyre and rubber, APC, interior cleaner. It mightn't actually make any difference at all, to be fair, but it just, maybe from a cost point of view, some products may be costing more than others, and which might be more beneficial or cost worthy, etc. So just see how we get on with these ones and see if there's any difference, and we'll see if there's any tackiness left at the end, or stickiness or shininess, or whatever the case might be. So that's our interior cleaner done. APC or Surfex HD degreaser, whatever you want to call it. I always love that stuff. It's such a versatile piece of equipment or range. Yeah, good bit of suds from it. Obviously diluted 1 to 10. Oh, I forgot to wipe the other one. Wipe that one. See that one first. It's quite dry already anyway. That's good. Try the Surfex, or clean off the Surfex. Yeah, it's not the most perfect job, but I'll do finish it off afterwards. And then time for vinyl and rubber. Yeah. Quite smelly, because this is obviously something to do for tyres and rubbers. This penetrates the rubber, gets right in down deep to clean out all the oxidants and all that sort of stuff within the tyres. So it does bring out a lot of dirt, makes it quite dirty here, but top stuff at the same time. So yeah, I'll wipe that away. Again, they've all cleaned it, so, well, from the outside anyway. So what I'm going to do is now leave it for a couple of minutes just to dry off, and hopefully see the benefits of each one then, or if there is any differences. So interesting enough results anyway from this little experiment. So just give it about 5 minutes to let it dry, and this is what they look like. So the Clean-Tail, the interior, has definitely cleaned it up. It's not slippy or anything like that. It's given it that nice matte finish, so it has done a good bit. I think if you go in, sort of zooming in a little bit more, possibly a little bit dirtier, but not the worst. Not the worst at the same time. The next one then was the Surfex HD or degreaser, diluted 1 to 10 of course. Pretty much similar to the interior cleaner, and again done a nice job, cleaned up most of it, and it's fairly good now. There's not too much of a difference between the interior cleaner and your APC. Then when we move down to the tire and rubber from the ADBL, this looks like it's in a different ball game altogether. It has done, what I can see here, is a much better job. Now I know I missed a couple of bits with the brush, mind you, but overall it has kind of seemed as if it's darkened material a little bit more than these two over here, whilst also cleaning it up. So I think overall the tire and rubber cleaner is top notch. Second and third place is kind of a mix and match between the two of them, between interior cleaner and your APC. Which would be best? I don't know, it would kind of come down to cost from me, I suppose. So what is the difference in costs then? Bilthamber, I'm working them out as a litre per product that I'm using. So Bilthamber is coming in at $11.95 for 1 litre. Now I have that diluted down 1 to 10, so you can only imagine what sort of cost that is. The ADBL tyre cleaner, $16.49 per litre. That doesn't dilute down, you don't dilute that, so it would be probably the more costly product out of the three that I'm using. And then the Clean-Tail is coming in at $9.99 for a 1 litre bottle. Again, can be diluted down 50% then if you wanted to, so again it's a bit more cost worthy, I suppose. So I think in general, if you're looking for proper cleaner, use the tire and rubber. It's a bit more expensive, but it does a top-notch job. That would be my favourite one, then followed by the other two. But if it came down to cost and everything, etc., it looks like the likes of the Surfex HD or your APC, if it's dilutable down, might be kind of a clear winner on the cost point of view. So what's my favourite products out of it? I would go with the tire and rubber, but leave it up to you. What do you think is the best one, or what do you normally use on your cars? So let me know in the comments. Good to see you again, and hopefully talk to you soon. Bye bye.